So today I have a Silence S01 electric scooter for a test ride. S01 is one of the best-selling electric scooter in Europe. I believe it because of its performance, and you can adjust it to your preference, as the scooter have 3 different driving modes. The first one is Eco mode. It has the speed limit up to 70 kilometers per hour, and it allows you to save the battery consumption, so the range will be maximum in this mode. Suitable, I believe, for relax, cruising in the city, to drive to some shop malls, because the trunk or the storage for the scooter is really big, as you can already saw it in the video. The other driving mode is called the city. In the city, designed to some sort of balance. The speed limit is up to 85 kilometers per hour. I think it's more than enough in the city, and it's like I told you, it's some sort of balance between the performance, the range, the comfort, and of course the most fun mode to drive. It's a sport mode. The speed limit is up to 95 kilometers per hour. The acceleration is at maximum. I believe it's something like 3.5 from 0 to 50 kilometers. So if you try the sport mode, I believe it will be your favorite. Of course, the consumption of the battery will be higher, but the performance is really nice for such a scooter. And the most fun part that I especially like about this electric scooter, that it has some sort of trolley style battery. What does it mean? You can call it just fast and easy. It's the easiest and most comfortable way to transport your battery. You just take it from your electric scooter. If you live, for example, in an apartment, you can take it to your flat, to your home, house, recharge it. Scooter is outside, bring it back, install it in, like, I don't know, 1 minute maybe, or even 25 seconds it's to install the battery back. It's so easy, and you are ready to go. So it's perfectly suitable for some apartment in some crowded towns. Just leave it outside, take the battery, recharge, bring it back. So very easy. The Silence brand had the specific mobile app for this scooter. Why it's important? Because with the app you can always control the location of your scooter, you can plan some roads, you can have the battery level, check it all the time, you can share it with your friends where you're going. Some sort of small social network with fully control of your scooter. So really fun, nice feature to make your life even more comfortable when you're using such a vehicle, such an electric scooter in town. And what I don't like about this scooter, it's in general the scooter, because I'm not a really big fan of scooters. I'm more fan of bikes, motorcycles. So for me, it should be a bigger bike, like with some petrol engine. So I'm not really a big fan of the scooter. So from my side, it's in general not my type of riding style. But let's enjoy a couple more minutes this POV Riding, and if you would like to choose it as your first scooter, maybe some sort of your city friend to carry your goods, to help you with shopping, I believe it will be a good choice. So enjoy the video and see you next time. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment this video. I really appreciate, because it will help to move my channel forward, to help me receive or find even more interesting vehicles or scooters or motorcycles for test rides. So just support me with your likes, and I will support you with the best video I can produce. And thank you very much for watching.